Hello Math learners! This is the part 6 of Grade 4 2020 MTAP Reviewer Elimination Rounds. Problem number 26. What is the largest two-digit number that gives a remainder of 9 when divided by 12? Sa ating solution, clue number 1, largest two-digit number daw. Clue number 2, if divided by 12, it has a remainder of 9. Para masolve ito, working backwards tayo. Halimbawa, sinabi sa problem, divided by 12. It means we will find the largest two-digit multiple of 12. So mamaya malalaman natin what are the multiples of 12 at ano yung largest doon. Pagkatapos nating mahanap ang largest two-digit multiple of 12, mag-a-add tayo ng remainder 9. So what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Yun yung mga multiples of 12 na two-digit number. Ano yung largest doon? 84 and 96. So anong gagamitin natin? 84 ba o 96? Hindi pwedeng 96 kasi 96 plus 9 equals 105. At yung 105, hindi na siya two-digit number. So, gagamitin natin ang 84 na multiples of 12. And then, i-add natin yung remainder kanina, yung 9. So, 84 plus 9 equals 93. Therefore, the final answer is 93. Checking tayo. Kung i-divide mo ang 93 divided by 12, the answer is 7 remainder 9. So, tama ang ating sagot. The final answer is 93. Next problem, please. Problem number 27. Tessa wants to donate 10 reading books and 25 drawing books. For shipment, it will cost her 2 pesos and 50 centavos for each reading book and 2 pesos for each drawing book. If an additional cost of 50 pesos will be charged for the packaging, how much will she spend for the shipment if she is given 10% discount of the total cost? Sa ating solution, step 1, calculate the cost of shipment per item. So there are 10 reading books times 2.50 equals 25 pesos. Next, merong 25 drawing books times 2 equals 50 pesos. So the total is 75 pesos. Step 2, add the additional cost for packaging. So 75 plus 50 equals 125. Ngayon, sabi sa ating problem, how much will she spend for the shipment if she is given 10% discount of the total cost? So step 3, find the 10% discount and subtract it from 125 pesos. Take note, 10% equals 0.10. So 125 times 0.10 equals 12 pesos and 50 centavos. Yun yung ima-minus natin sa 125. So 125 minus 12 pesos and 50 centavos equals 112 pesos and 50 centavos. So the final answer is 112 pesos and 50 centavos. Next problem, please. Problem number 28. The perimeter of a rectangle is 36 centimeter. If its length is twice its width, what is its area in square centimeter? Sa ating solution, may given tayo ang perimeter of rectangle daw ay 36 cm. Makikita sa baba yung diagram para maunawaan natin. Ang isang width ay W. Tapos yung length, W plus W, napansin nyo sa taas. Ibig sabihin L equals 2 times W. So, para masolve ito, ano ba yung formula ng ating perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equals 2 times the quantity of length plus width. Alam natin na ang perimeter ng rectangle ay 36 cm. So, isa-substitute natin. 36 cm equals 2 times L plus W. Alam natin na ang L equals 2W. So, isa-substitute natin yun. 36 cm equals 2 times 2W plus W. Simplify natin, 2W plus W equals 3W. So 36 cm equals 2 times 3W. Simplify, 2 times 3W is 6W. So 36 cm equals 6W. Divide both sides by 6. Makakancel yung 6 sa the right side of the equation. So W equals 6 cm. So, meron na tayong width. Hanapin natin yung length. Finding L. L equals 2W. So, therefore, 2 times 6 cm. Length equals 12 cm. So, ang tanong, what is its area in square centimeter? So, meron na tayong length, meron na tayong width. So, i-multiply lang natin sila. So, 12 cm times 6 centimeter equals 72 square centimeter. So the final answer is 72 square centimeter. Don't forget the units, guys. And make sure it is in square centimeter. Next problem, please. Problem number 29. 4 whole numbers are arranged in a row. The first number is twice the fourth number. The second number is 3 times the first, and the third is 1/2 the fourth. Find the least possible sum of these numbers. Sa ating solution, may clue number 1 tayo. Dapat daw whole numbers yung apat na iyon. Clue number 2, least possible sum ang hinahanap. Kaya ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo ng least numbers possible. Ibig sabihin ng least, pinakamaliit na numero. Kagaya ng nasa problem, binanggit, the first number equals fourth number times 2. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaki ang first number kaysa sa fourth. Next is, second equals first number times 3. Ibig sabihin, the second number is greater than the first number. Next is, third equals fourth number divided by 2. Bakit divided by 2? Ang sabi kasi sa problem, 1/2 of the fourth yung third. So, ibig sabihin, third equals fourth number divided by 2. So, ibig sabihin yan, guys, ang third number is less than fourth. So step 1, guys, find the smallest among the 4 numbers based on the analogy above. Ano dyan yung pinakamaliit na numero sa apat na yon? Masasabi natin na ang third number ang pinakamaliit. Why? Because sabi dyan, third number is less than the fourth number. So therefore, the third number is the least number among the 4 numbers. Kaya, sabi do kasi sa problem, no? Since we are looking for least possible sum, third number should be number 1. Why number 1? Bakit hindi negative 1 or 0.5? Because 1 is the least whole number. Whole number kasi, di ba, kanina yung hinahanap. So, hindi pwedeng may point o may fraction or negative. Hindi pwede. Ang hinahanap is the least whole number, which is number 1. So, meron na tayong third number. Next is, step number 2, solve the equations we made earlier. Unahin natin yung pangatlo dyan. Third equals fourth divided by 2. Ang ibig sabihin nun, fourth equals third times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. So, ang fourth number natin ay number 2. So, meron na tayong third and fourth number, which is 1 and 2. Next is, unahin natin yung first number. Sabi sa problem, first equals fourth times 2. So, ito times natin sa 2 yung fourth number, which is 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, yung unang number natin sa list ay number 4. So, last but not the least, yung second number equals first number times 3. So, ang first number is 4. So, 4 times 3 equals 12. So, the second number is number 12. So, ang tanong, find the least possible sum. So, i-add natin sila. So, 4 plus 12 plus 1 plus 2 equals 19. So, the final answer is 19. Next problem, please. Problem number 30. Martha paid 65 pesos for a piece of egg sandwich and a glass of fruit juice. Her friend paid 110 pesos for 2 egg sandwiches and a glass of fruit juice. How much will be the cost of 1 egg sandwich and 2 glasses of fruit juice? So sa ating solution, guys, let E be the egg sandwich. Let F be the fruit juice. So step number 1, make equations based on the problem. Sabi sa problem, Martha paid 65 pesos for a piece. Ibig sabihin ng a piece, number 1 yan. Isang piraso ng egg sandwich. And then, a glass of fruit juice. Ibig sabihin, isang fruit juice and then isang egg sandwich is equivalent to 65. Kagaya na makikita natin sa ating equation 1, E plus F equals 65. Yan yung order ni Martha. How about Martha's friend's order? Sabi sa problem, nag-order siya ng 2 egg sandwich at isang glass ng fruit juice. So, 2E plus F equals 110. Yun yung ating equation 2. Ang hinahanap is how much will be the cost of 1 egg sandwich and 2 glasses of fruit juice. So yung tinatanong E plus 2F equals question mark. So para mahanap natin yung what is asked, step 2 is finding letter E and letter F. So makukuha natin yan by elimination method. We can find letter E. Bakit natin gagamitin ang elimination method? Kasi we want to cancel one variable. Gusto nating maalis ang isang variable, matira ay letter E lang. Sa ating example dito, gusto nating makancel ang letter F. So, i-multiply natin ang equation 1 sa negative 1. So, kagaya na makikita natin, negative E minus F equals negative 65 yung equation 1. So, pwede na nating makancel ang F kasi positive F plus negative F is 0. So, makakancel na siya. So, matitira 2E minus E equals E and then 110 minus 65 equals 45. So, meron na tayong value ni E or egg sandwich. Ang cost niya is 45 pesos. Next is, using equation 1, we can find letter F or yung fruit juice. F equals 65 minus 45. Sabi kasi diba sa equation 1, pag inad daw si E at F, ang total is 65. So, ima-minus mo lang yung 65 minus 45. So, 65 minus 45 equals 20 pesos. Step number 3, ang tinatanong kasi natin, how much will be the cost of 1 egg sandwich and 2 glasses of fruit juice? So, E plus 2F equals question mark. Alam natin ang E ay 45, ang F naman ay 20. So, substitution lang. 45 plus 2 times 20 equals 45 plus 40 equals 85 pesos. So, don't forget the peso sign, guys. So, the final answer is 85 pesos. Again, guys, bilang review, gumawa muna tayo ng mga equations based on the problem. At syempre, nilagay din natin what is asked, E plus 2F equals question mark. And then, elimination method, nakuha natin ng E equals 45, F equals 20. Step 3, substitution, nakuha natin ng 85. The final answer is 85 pesos. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please hit the like button and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Pakiabangan mo ang part 7 natin. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because in our channel, you will find and learn a simple and clear explanation to math lessons and ideas. And also a step-by-step solution to math problems para ma-improve mo rin ang iyong problem-solving skills, lalo na sa mga MTAP contests katulad nito. Kaya laging tandaan ang ating outro message, every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye!